Hello, good morning friends. Myself Daniel Peter. Today I am updating a video about the physics that is called as ray optics. Optics means seeing the object. Okay, ray means light की किरण, सूर्य की जो किरण आती है या किरण जिसी को ray optics कहा जाता है. See about ray of now. First important basic terms is reflection and refraction. Reflection means your bending of light, okay, and refraction means it is penetrating the other surface. The light ray when goes into a glass prism or anything, it refracts the surface, means it is going inside the surface. And reflection of light means if the light ray is striking the glass and it will get reflected. It is bending of light. Refraction means it is penetrating the object, but here is no bending of the light, okay. But in the case of reflection, it get reflected. When from here eye we can see the object. So mu is the refractive index. Okay, mu is called as refractive index. Mu2 and mu1. Mu2 can be another mediums and they are considered the medium. So this is about reflection and refraction. Now we will come to the prism. Suppose a light ray, monochromatic light, that is having a single wavelength, will strike the prism and it will disperse into various color, and this dispersion theta is called as diffraction angle. What it is called as diffraction angle theta. जो प्रिज्म की लाइट रे, जो मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट रे जो रिफ्रैक्ट जो स्ट्राइक करती है और वो अलग अलग एंगल्स पे रहती है, m इज इक्वल टू म्यू टू अपॉन म्यू वन m2 minus m1. दिस इज वन formula for the prism formula. mu2 m2 minus m1, m is mu2 or mu1, m2 minus m1. So this is about the prism. Now there are two types of mirror, that is called as your concave mirror and another one is convex mirror. Concave mirror, this cave side. Convex means this lens. Suppose there are various conditions, like suppose the object is placed at infinity, object is placed near the focus, how the light ray image will form. Suppose if a light ray is coming from the object here, if the light ray will pass to the focus, the rule of this image is what? That when the light ray strikes the mirror, it will pass to the focus only, and the object form which is inverted. But if the object is placed at infinity, then the image will be formed as a virtual image. Okay, now the formula for the magnification is V by A or U by V, and this negative sign indicates the object is formed behind the mirror. Object is formed behind the mirror. The magnification unit is diopter, means like for example when we are checking your eyesight when we are wearing a goggle or when we are wearing the spectacles in the optician shop, so it is measured by diopters. Okay, so like velocity of light is for the is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, and light travels faster than sound. Now when the thundering occurs during the rain season, first we see the light, then we see the sound. Why? Because light travels faster than sound. Now there are two. This is all. Now another video is about the human eye, how the human eye is. Now human eye consists of your pupil, the small inner one. Pupil control the amount of light entering to the eye. Now another white layer is called another one layer is called as iris, and the outer layer white one which is called as a cornea. This white one is called as cornea, and this nerve is called as optic nerve. Optic nerve purpose it when the light ray enters to the eye, whatever the eye sees, the signals are sent to the optic nerve. जो भी आँख देखती है हमारी, वो जो लाइट रे की जो सिग्नल्स होती है वो किसको भेजी जाती है? ऑप्टिक नर्व को. नाउ this is all now in the case like sometime rainbow, we see the rainbow we cannot see in the dark light. Okay, we see on the morning only. Why? Because the white light ray, the another light rays like your yellow, green, indigo color, Vibgyor colors, they are having the more wavelength as compared to white light. Okay, so we can see the this rainbow color, Vibgyor, violet, gray, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, so they are having more wavelength, and they are having a property of dispersion of light ray. Dispersion of light ray means, like when the light ray, as in our atmosphere, it is having a tiny water droplets, when the light ray strikes on the water droplet, these molecules, they get refracted as well as refracted. So there is a dispersion of light rays. So this dispersion causes your scattering or dispersion, or we can say scattering of light ray. So then by this we can see the rainbow. So this is all about the dispersion of light ray. Thank you. I hope we are understood about the ray optics. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel. With your love, peace and harmony.